Commercial Window Installation Bethesda, Maryland transforms aging properties into modern, efficient business spaces across downtown Bethesda, Woodman Triangle, and Wisconsin Avenue. From commercial property window installation near NIH Bethesda to commercial facade window installation for mixed-use buildings, local businesses rely on commercial window contractor Bethesda, Maryland teams for durable systems, code compliance, and strong curb appeal. Whether the project involves custom commercial windows, commercial window upgrades, or a full commercial window renovation, Bethesda companies benefit from precision planning, fast timelines, and high-performance glazing built for Maryland weather. Commercial Window Installation Bethesda gives retail spaces the visibility and street presence needed to compete in high-traffic corridors like Bethesda Row, Friendship Heights, and Edgemoor. Retail storefront windows Friendship Heights Bethesda and storefront glass installation Wisconsin Avenue Bethesda are ideal for boutiques, restaurants, salons, and service businesses seeking clean aesthetics and secure glass systems. Storefront window replacement downtown Bethesda also helps improve natural light, customer impressions, and energy performance while keeping commercial entrances attractive, functional, and aligned with surrounding architecture. Office window replacement Bethesda improves comfort, appearance, and productivity in professional buildings throughout Bradley Hills, West Bard, and East Bethesda. Businesses needing office window replacement near Bethesda Row or office glass installation Bradley Hills. Bethesda often choose low-E commercial window installation Bethesda and commercial insulated glass installation Bethesda for better temperature control and reduced glare. Office building window contractors Bethesda and office building window installers. Glen Echo MD can replace outdated panes, retrofit frames, and install modern glazing systems that support long-term energy savings and professional building aesthetics. Commercial energy-efficient windows Bethesda help property owners lower utility costs while improving year-round indoor comfort in office parks, medical buildings, and retail centers. Energy-efficient commercial windows Montgomery County MD and energy-efficient storefront windows Bethesda, Maryland are popular upgrades for owners seeking sustainability, noise reduction, and lower HVAC strain. Low-E office windows. Kensington MD, commercial insulated glass contractors Cabin John the 1500th, and business window retrofit Rockville, Maryland services all support smart building performance with advanced coatings, insulated glass units, and airtight framing systems. Commercial glass window installers Bethesda provides specialized solutions for everything from routine replacements to complex structural glazing projects. Commercial glazing services Bethesda, commercial glass replacement East Bethesda, Maryland, and commercial window installation Bethesda services are essential for damaged storefronts, fogged insulated units, cracked tempered glass, and failing seals. Property managers across River Road, North Bethesda, and Chevy Chase rely on experienced commercial window contractors Chevy Chase MD and commercial glazing services Woodman Triangle Bethesda to keep buildings safe, efficient, and visually polished. Aluminum commercial windows Bethesda remain a leading choice for offices, retail centers, and institutional properties because they combine strength, sleek lines, and low maintenance. Aluminum storefront window installation Bethesda, Maryland is especially common for restaurants, shopping centers, and street-facing businesses that need dependable framing with a contemporary look. Combined with commercial tempered glass windows Bethesda, these systems resist wear, support larger panes, and work well for commercial entry window systems Bethesda where durability, visibility, and security are all priorities. Business window installation Bethesda, commercial window contractor Bethesda, Maryland, and office building window contractors Bethesda all play a central role in helping local companies create better spaces for employees and customers. From storefront window installation Bethesda and retail window replacement Bethesda to commercial insulated glass installation Bethesda and commercial window installation Bethesda, every project benefits from expert craftsmanship and local knowledge. In Bethesda, Maryland, high-quality commercial windows deliver stronger performance, cleaner design, and lasting value for retail, office, and commercial property owners.